Get yours completely in cinnamon sugar.
Clean this off a little bit. Oops. Okay, so here, look at this.
Oh, look! You can see
Mickey?
the Mickey!
Aww.
Oh my gosh!
Okay. So press.
Whoa! So cool.
Alright, let's put it.
Hi, we are missing Disney. We are missing Disney so much, and Disney released some really yummy recipes. One of them is the churro recipe, and we thought it would be fun to make some homemade churros with these guys in the kitchen. What do you think, kids? Are you excited?
Yeah!
Let's make some churros!
Okay.
Gotta go to this.
Now enjoy the test. Alright, you guys want to bring the stool over here a little bit, I guess? And we can start cooking it here.
Alright, here's your butter.
Thank you.
And
Cinnamon?
I know I have cinnamon. I just go back and forth where I put it. Don't have a ginger jar.
You can. That's so cool, buddy.
Cumin. Don't use cumin.
Spicy.
Yeah.
That's salt. I don't think you'd like it. Half a teaspoon there. Our flour. Whole wheat flour.
We're gonna do whole wheat flour, because that is the only flour that I have. Let's pour this in. Alana, are you ready? Wait, that's not the right one. We need this one. All right, I'm gonna get it and you pour it in. Are you ready? Here you go. Pour it in here.
Go ahead and get this oil going.
Do it.
Nice and hot.
Pour it in. Yay! No, I'm gonna give it to Daddy. He's gonna use it over here.
It's down here. Oh, cool, bud. And start adding in some flour. How did they do this? Did they just dump it all in?
I can't not smell that.
I always smell it.
Alright, go ahead. Alright, let's mix in the eggs. Opening eggs make it easier to go into the extruder.
I think that having whole wheat flour instead of white wheat flour will make it easier to go through the extruder, because whole wheat flour usually makes things thicker.
Yeah.
So this extruder, we 3D printed it. We made this 3D printed churro thing. It has a Mickey Mouse shape and some lines, a churro shape with a Mickey Mouse shape. So we put the dough in the big hole, push it out into the oil, and then the churro starts being made.
Hopefully that will just hold it right there like that. Okay, and then we're going to use a natural spoon.
A normal.
Oh! If you're not cooking with your hands, you're not doing it right. I'm just kidding. That's kind of gross.
It really just washed my hands and now they're unclean.
Oh no, they're unclean. Can't tell. Oh no!
That's not quite right.
It broke the bag.
Let's
You need like a plunger. Like a pusher. Okay, pause.
Can't like.
Oh, that awesome. Wash your hands.
There's a little bit coming out there. Do you have a star-shaped?
I'll go see what I've got.
Yep,
let's do this.
Oh god.
It looks like they're turning out good. Wow, that's fast. Wow, there's the spoon over there. It's all ready to go.
So, you need this one?
No, I need another plate with a paper towel.
This is amazing. Like
It's
amazing.
Ooh, yum.
That's basically what we were going for.
I guess a little burnt.
Yeah. Well, time for number 2.
Let's do it. We got this down this time.
We made a couple updates to the design. We opened the spacing a little bit more so more dough could fit through around the Mickey Mouse head. And we made this big funnel that can hold all of the dough. And then we designed a plunger to go into that and push the dough out. Alright, we're here for day number 2. We have our new and improved extruder. So we're going to try to make some better churros. Yesterday we had a lot of trouble getting the right shape. Today we have our leftover dough from yesterday and we're going to try and extrude it a little bit better. So first we need to fill this up.
I will.
You sure can try.
I think I'm going to do the pushing part because it's going to be over the hot oil.
Oh, that's a really good point.
But first, let's get this filled up. Zaya, can you get some in there?
Mm-hmm.
Get that nice and full.
Join up,
Wow.
Mickey Mouse in the bottom?
I see it, I see it.
Oh, yeah.
It's
Yeah, let's give this a shot, huh?
a It's a
Temperature range looking good there.
I guess. Watch.
Wow.
That looks awesome.
Wow.
That looks so good. Wow, it looks just like a churro.
Exactly like a churro.
Alright.
Remember they fly
That's
fast.
so exciting.
Yeah, remember they go fast.
I love how you already have this set up.
Julia, I can make it
For drying them.
churro.
Very
Just put it
smart
back.
move.
I said, hold it back. No.
Oh, this is working. This is working.
Hey!
Alright, fill it up again, guys.
That looks great.
Fill it up.
Sarah, you can do it.
I was thinking it would be really hard to pull this out.
It's never done.
But it wasn't. You designed it so well.
Do the rest.
Oh, I love how kind and loving and sharing you all are being.
Nana, you do it with your hands. Well, I'm going to do nasty. Okay, you don't have to.
Nana, don't touch the sugar. Everybody had a chance to put dough in, honey.
Perfect. Is it ready? Awesome. Let me clean this off a little bit. Oops. Okay, so here, look at this.
Oh, look. You
Do
can
you see
see
Mickey?
I see it. Oh my gosh.
Have the cold one.
Whoa.
No, I'm letting you.
So cool.
Let's put it in. You guys ready to make some more?
Yeah! Yeah!
Here we go.
Daddy, what you get some more from?
You guys filled it up for me.
Oh. Well, that was the biggest churro. You want this?
Let's go.
No, I'm gonna let you.
Oh, that's so kind and loving, Isaiah.
God, do you want the biggest churro? But it's going to be hot. But if it's not hot. First is last. No, the first is last.
The churros yesterday.
Way more like churros than yesterday. I love the lines on the edges, the lining. That's exactly what your churros need.
The
Hold all that
first is
cinnamon
last
sugar in
and the
there.
last
I think
is
it's also
first.
important that it has a lot of surface area to cook on the edge. These guys. Alright, start coating these in cinnamon sugar.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Oh, a lot of here. Is it hot? No. Oh, good. Mmm. It is completely cinnamon sugar.
Okay, go pick it up. You can see the Mickey.
Cheers and churros.
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 Look at that Mickey Mouse. Or do you guys want to start getting the things together? Like water and flour and all that stuff. The recipe right over here.